What is up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Nitro Skull. Today's video is a little bit different than what we normally do. We are going to be unboxing and building the Ferrari Fxx-K model kit. Oh, hey, check it out. We have the Ferrari Fxx-K assembly line from Maisto. Basically, the whole point of assembly line is that you can actually build it yourself rather than just having the build. So as you can see, I've unboxed everything. So let's start off with the model. So we got the cars, like the body. This is really sick, not gonna lie. This is really nice. Originally, I was planning on buying a LaFerrari, but then I saw this and I was like it has like all the stickers on it and it just looks so much cooler. So I was like, let me just get this. You got the bottom of the car, and this is where you put the seats and everything. It's actually really detailed, like it said it was, because it has the like it has the pedals and everything. And then you got all the other parts, which I'm not gonna open now. I'm gonna open when I do the time lapse. So comes with the mini screwdriver. And it comes with all the wheels. So that's pretty sick. So yeah. So you could pick this up for about 25 bucks on Amazon. That's how much I got it for. It took about 2 days to ship if you have Amazon Prime. If you don't, a little bit longer. So I'm actually really excited to build this. I've been wanting to do this for a long time. I got my dad an Enzo Ferrari kit that you build yourself. There might be a video about that coming to you soon. Well, let's get into building this. So I started off by doing the mirrors. So I had to attach the little sticker onto them, and then I had to put them on the body of the car. This is kind of a challenge for me because they kept like sliding off and they were like really hard to put on, so that's why it takes me so long to do. So then it was time to do the steering wheel and the dashboard and all that stuff. So I put the steering wheel on, got that on there. And then now I put the seats inside the cockpit of the car. Then I put the dashboard and the steering wheel on. It kept falling out, so I had to put it back on. But after that, I got that already. Now I'm working on putting together the wheels of the cars. And then now I'm going to put them on the body and put the cockpit in. And now I'm ready to go. So now the last step was to put the body on and then screw it together. And there you go. I think this build was really cool, and I would definitely buy stuff from Maisto assembly line again. The other car I have from Maisto is the Huracan Performante that I had put next to the Ferrari for some scale. The Huracan Performante is 1/18th scale, and the Ferrari Fxx-K is 1/24th scale. So it's like kind of similar, but the Performante is a little bigger. So this was really cool, and I will hopefully do more stuff like this in the future. Thanks for watching.